Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new knife that I found on AliExpress. This will be, as you can see, another black box, so no markings, no brand names, but as far as goes this series of knives, they do not have special packaging because in my opinion they are made as a widely available design for different brands that can purchase it, and then the factory will laser engrave their initials, logos and whatsoever. So this one was listed at under the Watchman brand. Unfortunately, there's no Watchman visible on the blade. We have Cabela's on one side and Pivot DBS on another side, and China, of course. No blade designation. So usually these knives are sold on the different brand names like Tuna Fire, Free Tiger, Kesivo, Watchman, and yeah. But let's talk about the W019M, under which this knife is sold on AliExpress. So we have a overall length of 18 centimeters, that is 7.1 inch. We have a blade length of 7.8 or 3 inches. The blade width is 2.4 centimeters, 0.9 inches. The thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.1 inch. The handle is 10.1 centimeter, 4 inches long, with a thickness of 1.4 centimeters, 0.5 inches. As far as blade goes, it is listed at 8CR13 MOE with 58 to 60 HRC. So just your standard Chinese stainless steel blade with a nice drop point profile. I appreciate it really much because this is a really nice and functional blade shape. And we have a satin polished finish on the blade. As far as other parts of the knife, it looks like they are polished. For example, the pocket clip is really nicely polished. We have a little bit of highlight of a pivot color on the around the pivot, of course. On the scales we have really nice natural, I would say something in between a burlap or canvas. I'm really not sure about that because it's look like burlap, but then it could be also just a heavy canvas type of micarta. So I leave that to you, whatever you like to see it, as a burlap or a canvas type of micarta, something in between maybe. As far as liners go, they are stainless steel, they are not skeletonized whatsoever. I see only a little pocket right here, probably to relieve the tension for the liner lock. Pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearing washers. Right there, we have nice centering, full open construction with two standoffs right there. A smaller lanyard hole if you prefer to carry it. We have a really nice design on the pocket clip. It's milled out, and thank you very much, they used flat screw. So this is how things supposed to be mounted in 2023. As far as tension goes, we have medium to stiff tension on it. For opening methods, we have the flipper and also a really old type of Thumbstud that is checkered or filed to give you a really nice purchase. I have not seen this on nothing new currently available, so it definitely will not slip if you are preferring to use the Thumbstud. Looks like a full thread ground blade. Let's see the sharpness out of the box. Okay. So yes, this is a really nice slicer. Definitely nice and sharp, but could use a little bit of stropping like most knives nowadays. Okay, now let's see the pocket profile. The weight comes at 106 grams or 3.7 ounces, which is really nice and, in my opinion, a great EDC weight. So as you can see, it is almost deep carry, Maybe a 1 to 2 millimeters are sticking out, but definitely we can mark it as deep carry. But with that nice polished pocket clip, I would probably prefer to have not it polished, because it will catch up on the reflections and light, and everybody will see that something shiny is in your pocket. So that's probably not ideal, but it is what it is. So these are my channel, of course, if I not mentioned them before. So now, as far as ergonomics go, this is another one of those neutral designed handle shapes, so almost straight, just a little bit of curvature here to help you out to disengage the liner lock, but other than that, it is very nice. Also, for my XL size hand, I definitely feel a hotspot developing by the pocket clip. This is just the design, how it is executed. Nothing wrong with that, but definitely, since this is a more of a just a lightweight, light EDC design, so you will not have any kind of problems of prolonged working with these and making hotspots all over your palm. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So I have here the Free Tiger or Casio Tuna Fire. This is the model 956, which is one of my favorite from the series, like I told you at the start. Here is also the 958. But as you can see, there is significantly different micarta used on this one, because this is just your traditional CVV QSP type of standard canvas brown micarta, also used in here, and many other knives like the Elementum and Penguin. As you can see, the pattern or the fabric has a much wider woven style to it, so it could be burlap. Since I have here my Bucksprint Pro, let me show you side by side. But as you can see, a burlap is a much heavier fabric with wider gaps. So it is something in between these two. Okay, so let's continue. Here I have the CRKT. This is the Pillar 4. I also have a Pillar 1, which I have in different kind of micartas, but this is the knife Blade HQ exclusive, with also this canvas type that is similarly woven, that borders on the burlap heaviness. Now let's continue with this is the QSP Penguin, CVV Elementum. These are the standard EDC size knives when it comes to nicely made micarta and D2 blades. that are available. Another beautiful knife is here the Feldspar Mini from CGRB. I can also show you comparison. This is a knife center exclusive with really nice Berlin micarta. And these are both made in China, of course. So here is the Benchmade bug out. Here's the Benchmade mini reptilian. So it is a little bit smaller. The Rustic Gent from CVV. Red Model 2. Is the Kaiser Baglighter 2. Here is the Spyderco Delica. Bug Vintage Select Small. Cold Steel Recon 1 Mini. Let's see the QSP Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bot Dozier Folding Hunter, which will be a little bit larger. Okay, as far as price goes, these are $22 or 25 euros was the price last time I checked. So the MSRP is somewhere around 48, but keep in mind that these are almost always on some kind of sale, and they will be on sale because they want to sell them. So yeah, for under $25, in my opinion, this is a really nice, sturdy, whatsoever, no blade play whatsoever type of VDC knife. If you would like just carry something with a decent micarta. And I forgot to check the smell, because sometimes these Chinese micartas can have some kind of odor to it. This one has nothing. So as I mentioned, this is a natural type of micarta, so there is no oil, no cleaning or polishing agent. So yeah, I'm really impressed. For that price, I can certainly give it my thumbs up and recommend it for you to check it out. I will link you in the description down below. If for some reason through the time this link is not functional, then just go to AliExpress or eBay and check out the Watchman. Or if I see this one at a different dealer, or maybe different under different brand names, I will try to keep annotate different names and model numbers under the description down below part. So just check it out. At the time when I ordered it and made a video, there is no different variations available, so only this type of brown micarta and that 8 CR13 MOV blade. So with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.